Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called A Round of Hellos. I have two punches here, the 2 3/8 punch and the 2-inch punch, and a brand new 3D embossing folder called the Lazy Daisy 3D embossing folder. And look at this. Look at it. Look at it. So cute. I actually do like dry embossing as much as I like heat embossing. So this stamp is from the Round of Hellos, and surprise, surprise, it is a round of hellos. It says hello, 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 hello in a round manner. I punched it out with my 2 3/8 inch punch, and I am using Secret C. It's my new black. I quite like Secret C because it is really a nice, dark, rich kind of gray. It's like a dark gray. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just showing you my roof with that punch. And here's the 2-inch circle punch. So I had to finagle this sentiment just a little bit on the right and the left so it would fit in the 2-inch circle, but it was no problem. It did that perfectly. I didn't get a good impression the first time, so I'm going in because there's two sides to the paper. You're not going to see the other side. So I'm not going to, I just flipped it over and started over. So to me, the flower with the petals bent back reminds me of an echinacea flower. Do not quote me. I don't know if this is it or not, but because of the middle of the flower being sort of raised like this, I thought I would go with fresh freesia. So we're sort of doing a monochromatic look today. The fresh freesia card base, the 3D embossed card stock, and now with the ink. So, and it just goes really nicely with the Secret C, which is kind of a dark gray. Anyway, as you see, I put dimensional adhesive on the small circle, attach it to the bigger circle, and here I am with the that other circle. I put dimensionals on it, and then I set it aside. So we're going to work on the base of the card now, and I am going very slowly with my Seal Plus adhesive on this embossing folder, or I'm going to rip everything and lose my cool. So I learned many times over and over and over again that it really does help if you go slow over an embossed area with your Seal Plus adhesive, because it is really sticky and sometimes it can really tick you off. So anyway, I'm going to adhere that to my card front. So I backed it with just basic white, and nothing is raised except for this circle, and that is pretty much my card, you guys. I'm going to go in with druzy dots and the silver ones. Honestly, these are still available and they're on last chance. So I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. I also want to remind you, if you're Canadian, I have a product share going. I have a few bits available, a few spots available. And I also have the In Color Club, which gives a whole lot of inspiration every month for 5 months. You can join it anytime. So that was the inside of my card. And now I just want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.